Hey guys, BigT Trades here, and today I would like to explain how I took this retracement trade. I also showed this retracement method I use in my latest video. Yeah, I'll link it up in the cards here. I'll explain it now. So now we're at the 3 a.m. London Open here under the Germany 40. I'll just go to a higher time frame to look for what we could look for. We can see that we had this huge push up after the FOMC yesterday, and we have these highs right here, which haven't been taken out, so there is liquidity resting above it. It was yesterday's high, and then we have some lows down here, which we could touch, but I think it will take some time to get down here again because we are on this huge move up. So our bias is that we will look for this to be taken out. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's say the 5 minute and see what price does at market open. Perfect. And then we took out all of this buy liquidity right here. All the people that have shorted throughout the night and the Asian session and the American close here. It's all taken out now. So all these shorts right here, they are out. And what we've been looking for is a retracement to enter from, to go long again, because we know the bias is going long right now. As you can see, the market is heading up. So if we see a retracement, then I'll be looking for a long. And we finally saw a retracement right here. So I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. We went up to 447, and then I'll look for a market structure shift. A market structure shift is where the market heads in the other direction and breaks some highs. And if we see that, then we can be looking for a fair value gap entry. And now all of these lows here are taken out. And if we see a market structure shift now, then I'll be looking to get in on the long. And there we broke these. So now you can be looking for your long at a fair value gap, but we don't have any fair value gaps right now. So I'll just wait a little bit. And as you can see, we have a little fair value gap right here. It didn't quite go right through it, so. And then we can see we went up and got a little rejection of it, this candle here. And basically, when we have broken this, then you can be looking for your longs. You could also wait for this to be broken, but in this instance, I just went for this because I could see that we had some kind of consolidation here, which could tend to, the market could be heading in the other direction. It could also have gone down again, but I saw this market structure shift as quite strong because we are in a bullish market. So I would enter from this fair value gap right here, put my stop loss under this wick or under this wick. I think I put it right here. And then I went up to this area right here as my last take profit, because I looked at the higher time frame. You could take the 5 minute time frame right here, and then you can see we have a little order block right here, order block, and we have a fair value gap right here, and usually it goes up to the top of the fair value gap and then goes down again. So I put my take profit a little bit lower like this, and we have a good 3.6 risk to reward ratio. I've also called this, all of this on my Twitter. As you can see here, I posted it on my Twitter today. Fill for long using my retracement strategy, and that was my entry, live entry right here. And then I updated in the comments what I did. I took my first partial here, and then it went home here. So basically, when we see this market structure shift, then we know the market usually tends to go in the direction of the market structure shift. So here in this instance, we go for long, and we can see that our take profit is at the fair value gap here. Then I go to the 1 minute again, and I look to see if we get entered. We have this little fair value gap, which my entry is at, and boom, we now got filled. And the market is going up a bit, not by much. It's accumulating right here for the long. You can see it always goes up, higher highs and higher lows. And we also broke this here, so we know the market structure shift is more valid now. And then after that, the market went up a bit. And boom, it hit our take profit. So this was my retracement strategy again at work. I hope you learned something from it. It's basically just you look for where the market is heading. In this instance, it was upwards because we have all of this FOMC news, and that has spiked a huge bullish market pattern. And after that, you look for the retracement here. And when you see the retracement stops and we have a microstructure shift, then you look for a fair value gap to enter from. And basically, you just target. You could target the high here. You could also just target a fair value gap or what you feel for. I usually target something that's over a risk to reward ratio of 2. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and understood my explanation. If you want more videos, please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you have any questions. It was BigT Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.